Previously, I have shown how to make okra tomato fry. In this video, I am going to show how to make tasty coconut laddu. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: dry coconut, condensed milk, cardamom powder, pistachio, almonds. Fry dry coconut on a heated pan. After 1 minute, mix all the taken ingredients one after one. Finally, it becomes stiff, like this. Once it becomes cool, make like laddu as shown here. In the coming up video, I will show how to make corn salad, which is good for health and weight loss. Thank you for watching and following.